to install Credit Karma app on iPhone, just go to App Store and just search Credit Karma here. There you have it, just as you do with any other app. So here is the app, and then you can just tap Get. You will probably need to sign in with your Apple ID or use Face ID or Touch ID to sign in, and then the installation process will start. Shouldn't take too long. And just tap open, and there you have it. The app is now installed. So this is the home screen. And then you can just sign up and create an account. So hope that was helpful.